heart. It's honest living, for crying out loud. And you would allow anyone make you feel any less than who you are.
So to say how you see yourself determines how others will see you. Hello and welcome to the School of Life. My name is Chioma Agunobi, media practitioner, life coach, and event compare. You call me the statusquo disruptor. Now, the world is full of so much pain, physical pain, emotional pain. It's crazy what is going on around the world today. And a lot of us are feeling those pains as well. But today I am going to share with you on turning your pain into your gain. Some of us have felt deep pain in our past. Others are currently going through that experience. It could be from marriage, from children, relatives, colleagues at work, whatever it is, you're going through. You can actually take that pain and turn it into your gain. Now, for me to say that I completely understand your pain would be a lie. I've had my own fair share of pain in life as well. But to say I do understand you, to say I do know what it is you feel would be unfair, because we all go through pain in life on different levels. But I do know that you can get out of that place. Now, a lot of us have allowed the pain we feel, have allowed our experiences to become a cage, to become some kind of shackle, something holding us back from being the best version of ourselves. Now, we sit down and we throw pity parties. We sit down and we put the blame on the experience, on life, on the people who inflicted the pain on us. Is your pain valid? Yes. Is it justified? Yes. But is it worth holding you down? No. Is your future worth fighting for? Yes. 1,000 times yes. So if your future is worth fighting for, then it is enough to look at and decide that I don't want to be in this place anymore. I want to be free. I want to find my peace. I want to find my joy. I want to find me. To move your pain to become gain, there are certain things you must put into consideration. The first thing you must put into consideration is that you need to forgive. Forgiveness comes into play. One is forgiving whoever inflicted that pain on you, whoever hurt you. The other is forgiving yourself. And you might wonder, why would I have to forgive myself? I didn't do this to myself. Hey, a lot of times by the time we sit back and take stock, we realize, oh my goodness, I haven't been fair to myself. I have deprived myself so much so that I become upset with myself. So you must learn to let go of the pain, let go of the one who inflicted the pain, and let go of the grudge you are holding against yourself. Learn to forgive. First step first. Second thing is, you must be able to share, talk about it, tell of your experience, share with other people. Now, in sharing, other people find hope, because the truth is that pain you have been able to conquer, someone else is probably going through it at this point in time, or someone else will go through it. So when you share your story, other people find hope. They find healing in your story. And there's nothing as beautiful, nothing heals and makes you whole as when you are able to help other people find their healing as well. So in helping others find healing, you find wholeness. So share your story. Let your mess become your message. Let your pain become your story. Let your life become a platform for others to find healing. And you'll be amazed what it will do to you. The more you talk about it, the less hold that pain has on you. The third thing you must try to do is to connect with your source. You are as strong as your source. So the more you know your source, the more you know what the manual has to say concerning you, the more you know the strength your source has, the more you understand yourself and the strength you have to pull yourself out of where you are. You can only find strength to heal and to move on when you connect with your source in the place of prayer. So connect with God in the place of prayer, and He, by His Spirit, will help you find healing. Healing cannot be found by assuming that I can do this on my own. Healing can be found in the presence of God. So, am I asking you to completely forget or throw your experience in the trash can? No. I'm asking you to take the lessons that you have learned from it. Take the values there is to take from it and run with it. And let it help you into the future. Let it help become fuel for you as you run into that destiny that you dream of. That way you take your pain and translate it into your gain. Remember, your life, your dreams, your peace, your joy, your love, your life is worth fighting for. So arise today, arise with that determination. You may not know what steps to take first. You may not know what plans to lay out, but just take it one day at a time and find healing and find wholeness for yourself. For yourself. Remember, if you need someone to talk to, someone that wouldn't judge you, someone that won't criticize you, someone with a past and pain as well, please do feel free to call me. You can also DM me or chat me up privately. I've been really willing to talk with you. This has been the School of Life, and my name is Chioma Agunobi. I'd love to hear from you, and so please, I beg you, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Chioma Agunobi, and of course follow me on all social media platforms: Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Chioma Agunobi 1. I've been looking forward to hearing from you. Till I see you next week, take a step towards your healing and turn that pain to your gain.